Hi, this is Rodney from utrainu.com, and this is just a short video to show you how you could use the equipment we mentioned in this post to do a very simple in-home workout. So we're starting off by showing you a little bit of foam rolling. So this is just foam rolling the quads. As you can see, I'm just rolling from the top of my knees to just below my hips. Then we're going to look at an upper back roll or thoracic spine. So I'm rolling from my mid back just up to the top of my shoulder blades. I've got my hands behind my head with my elbows pulled in so I can really focus on the muscles between my spine and my shoulder blades. Then we're going to look at a core exercise. So we've just got a plank here that I'm holding for just a short period of time to show you. Body's in one nice straight line, as you can see. Then we look at a dumbbell deadlift. Notice that the hips are traveling backwards, the spine's staying nice and straight, and my shoulders are staying locked in place. Then we've got a quad row that Shelly's demonstrating perfectly here. So she's just rowing one weight up to her side, rotating naturally the arm as she does it. And then we've got a floor press. This is great to start with maybe instead of a push-up, as a push-up can be a little bit challenging for some people in the beginning, but they can master this exercise pretty quickly. And that's it. Seems simple, but it's actually quite effective if you were to try just this workout. Thanks for watching.